Welcome to Okayama, the vibrant land of sunshine, and a city that perfectly balances history with modern charm. This is where you'll find the striking black exterior of Okayama Castle, also known as Crow Castle, standing proudly across from Okayama Korakuen, one of Japan's 3 most beautiful landscape gardens. After taking in the sights, you can dive into the local food scene, from the colorful layers of Okayama barazushi to the region's world-famous white peaches and grapes. To help you find the perfect place to stay in this sunny city, up next, we're counting down the best accommodations in Okayama. A quick note before we continue. After watching, be sure to check the description for direct links to each hotel, extra tips, and our hotel selection criteria. Disclaimer: I may not have stayed at every hotel featured in this video, but each recommendation is based on thorough research and analysis of recent guest reviews, amenities, and value. Experience a seamless blend of efficiency and relaxation at Dormy Inn Okayama. This 3-star business hotel is strategically located just 500 meters from Okayama Station, providing easy access to a wealth of local stores and eateries. The sleek contemporary rooms offer a minimalist aesthetic that maximizes comfort, creating a cozy atmosphere for both business travelers and sightseers. It is a modern sanctuary where every detail is designed for ease, making it the perfect home base for exploring the gateway to the Chugoku region. At Dormy Inn Okayama, the sleek contemporary rooms offer a masterclass in modern comfort. Ranging from 14 to 44 square meters, these spaces utilize minimalist aesthetics to create a cozy atmosphere in the heart of the city. While the standard rooms are ideal for short stays, upgrading to a twin room provides the extra space that truly enhances the experience. Each room is equipped with a seating area, a smart TV, and essential comforts like nightwear and a tea and coffee set, ensuring every guest enjoys a refined and restorative stay. Unwind in style at Dormy Inn Okayama, a 3-star sanctuary where business and relaxation meet. The resort-style facilities include a spectacular natural hot spring, featuring both indoor and open-air onsen on the top floor, complemented by a rejuvenating sauna. After a long soak, guests are invited to the restaurant for a vibrant breakfast buffet featuring local Okayama specialties. As a signature touch, the hotel offers complimentary late-night yonaki soba, providing a warm, comforting bowl of ramen to end your evening. With coin-operated laundry available on-site, every detail is designed for a seamless and restorative stay. At Hotel Grand Via Okayama, the city is your doorstep. Located just steps from the main transit hub, this hotel offers effortless access to shopping and dining, making it the ultimate base for exploration. The guest rooms feature a sleek contemporary look with minimalist decor that emphasizes comfort and calm. The radiating cozy atmosphere ensures that whether you are arriving by Shinkansen or returning from a day of sightseeing, you are greeted by a warm and sophisticated sanctuary in the heart of the city. Accommodations at Hotel Grand Via Okayama offer a sophisticated urban retreat with a range of sizes from 15 to an expansive 137 square meters. While the entry-level single and twin rooms are compact, travelers seeking a more indulgent experience may choose to upgrade for additional living space. Each room is designed for restorative rest, featuring world-class Simmons beds and a dedicated seating area with a TV. The minimalist aesthetics are complemented by practical luxuries, including a work desk, an air purifier, and a complete tea and coffee set, ensuring a cozy atmosphere in the heart of the city. The lifestyle at Hotel Grand Via Okayama is defined by convenience and culinary excellence. With 7 distinct dining venues, guests can explore a world of flavors, from refined French cuisine to authentic Japanese seasonal dishes. For those seeking total relaxation or an active escape, the Resort Club, available for an additional fee, features a premium indoor pool, sauna, and jacuzzi. Adding to the seamless experience is an on-site convenience store, ensuring that every travel essential is just an elevator ride away in the heart of the city. Experience the ultimate in transit-oriented comfort at Via Inn Okayama. This 3-star business hotel is perfectly integrated into the Okayama Station area, offering direct access to the terminals and a vast array of eateries station-wide. The contemporary rooms feature minimalist interiors designed for a calm, efficient stay. A standout feature for many is the unique train views, where you can watch the world-famous Shinkansen glide in and out of the station from the comfort of your room. Efficiency meets modern comfort at Via in Okayama, where rooms range from 13 to 26 square meters, perfectly in line with other three-star hotels in the area. Each space is designed to maximize relaxation, featuring high-quality pocket coil mattresses for a restorative night's sleep. The contemporary minimalist interiors include a functional desk and a seating area with a TV. For a personalized touch, guests can visit the amenity bar to collect nightwear and other essentials, making every stay both comfortable and convenient. At this perfectly connected three-star hotel, the amenities cater to your every need. The restaurant offers a warm and inviting space to enjoy a breakfast buffet curated with signature Okayama specialties, perfect for fueling up before heading out via the direct station access. To ensure a seamless stay, the hotel also features a dedicated laundromat, making it easy to manage your wardrobe while on the move. Discover a peaceful retreat that bridges modern comfort and local charm at Okayama Korakuen Hotel. This three-star gem is perfectly situated just 550 meters from Okayama Station, providing guests with direct access to the vibrant eateries and stores that define the station area. The contemporary rooms are thoughtfully designed with subtle, Japanese-inspired aesthetics, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. Design meets functionality at Okayama Korakuen Hotel, where rooms range from 14 to 36 square meters. These layouts are perfectly in line with premier three-star business hotels in the area, balancing efficiency with a cozy atmosphere. Every room is equipped with excellent amenities, including a dedicated seating area, a TV, and a functional work desk. Thoughtful touches like an air purifier, a traditional tea set, and soft nightwear ensure a stay that is as restorative as it is convenient for travelers on the move. Okayama Korakuen Hotel functions as a self-contained sanctuary with a focus on guest convenience. You can enjoy the flexibility of all-day dining at the hotel restaurant, which highlights fresh ingredients and local flavors. Practical features like the laundromat are complemented by the rare addition of a pharmacy on the premises, perfect for picking up health and beauty essentials. It is a smart, contemporary choice where every facility is designed to make your visit to Okayama as effortless as possible. Smart travel meets modern comfort at Super Hotel Okayama Eki Higashiguchi. Located just 650 meters from JR Okayama Station, this three-star hotel puts you within easy reach of the city's transport hub and the expansive Aeon Mall, perfect for shopping and dining. The contemporary rooms feature minimalist aesthetics, creating a clean and functional environment that prioritizes a good night's rest. It is a highly efficient choice for travelers seeking a streamlined, high-quality stay in the heart of Okayama. For travelers who value efficiency and modern design, rooms at Super Hotel Okayama Eki Higashiguchi offer a streamlined stay ranging from 12 to 24 square meters. While the layouts are pretty compact for three-star hotels in the area, they are masterfully designed to maximize comfort through minimalist aesthetics. Every room comes with good amenities, featuring a functional work desk, a dedicated air purifier, and high-quality bath amenities. It is a smart sanctuary for those who prioritize a clutter-free environment in a prime city location. Balance your urban adventures with a focus on wellness at Super Hotel Okayama Eki Higashiguchi. The hotel features a tranquil indoor onsen, providing a natural hot spring experience to soothe tired muscles after a day of shopping or travel. Guests can start their morning at the restaurant with a healthy breakfast buffet and unwind later in the lounge, which offers a selection of free drinks. It is a thoughtful three-star environment where modern convenience meets traditional relaxation.